So, bad evening. We are back again to talk about this absolute fraud that is Kai Havertz, that Arsenal have thought, yay, this is part of the clear plan. Let's go and spunk 60 million on Kai Havertz. Good one, mate. But don't worry, he's misunderstood at Chelsea. We could turn him around. If you can't see what Mikel Arteta's doing, you can F off down the lane, mate. He's got a proven track record. We should trust Arteta. Get in the bin, man. These people are a disgrace. Absolute disgrace. Get in the bin. This geezer is shocking. Absolutely disgusting signing. Yeah, disgusting. Yeah, absolutely fuming. Listen, before we get into dissecting this crap, yeah, make sure you are subbing to the channel. I do appreciate you that have. We're nearly on 83k, so thank you. Do sub to Lee Reacts. That channel is flying. That's over 14k now. So come on, let's keep that one going. I want 25k on that by August. So come on, let's go, man. And I will have some videos out on here and on there later on. Obviously, this one you're watching now. I'll have 2 more on here, and I'll have 2 dropping on the second channel as well. Smash the like button, subscribe, put your super chats in, put your comments in, put your questions in. But Fabrizio Romano has tweeted out, Kai Havertz, first Arsenal signing, as deal will be completed in the next hours. Here we go. 60 million guaranteed fee, 5 million in add-ons, long-term deal agreed, medical tests to be scheduled. Havertz will sign the contract this week. Documents are being prepared. Just looking at his face, I want to punch him. Just want to punch him. Do not like that geezer at all. Do not rate him. I've seen enough for 3 years of him at Chelsea to know he ain't very good. Yeah, but what do I know? Yeah, if you can't see what Arteta's doing, you can F off down the lane. Said all the sheep. Bah. Let's just in. Now he's in an Arsenal shirt. We should back him. We should give him a chance. How about prove to me you deserve to play for my club? How about that? How about that? How about show the fans that you're good enough? Yeah, instead of just accepting players and going, oh, yes, now he's here. Let's just go with it. Oh, goody. Yeah, that's how we got in this mess for 20 years. Yeah, accepting crap. 60 million quid on that. Out of all of the players on the planet that we could have got for 60 million quid, we signed Kai Havertz. Now, this is disgusting, man. I swear, this is a disgrace. This is an absolute disgrace. You've got people out here trying to convince themselves that this is a great deal. Like, in what way is this a great deal? It makes no sense to me whatsoever. In what way is this a great deal? People trying to convince themselves he can play in midfield. What are you talking about? What are you chatting? He can play in midfield. Really? How? He's never played in midfield, has he? Can he defend? No. Has he got a first touch? Not a very good one. Is his passing any good? Not really. Can he finish? No. Can he tackle? No. Is he any good in the air? No. What is he actually good at? I don't understand why we have spunked 60 million quid on this. Fuming. Absolutely fuming. We've done over £500 million now. Over £500 million this manager has spent. Yeah. I don't want to hear no BS from anyone. Yeah. Because I tell you now, next season is going to be peak banter. Peak banter. If this geezer's in midfield and we got that inverted twat at left back, Jesus Christ. Good luck. Good luck. PSG, Bernabeu against Real Madrid, Bayern Munich. Good luck with Kai Havertz in midfield. And let's just put it out there. We want to hope and pray, or all of you lot that are jizzing over Kai Havertz signing. You want to hope and pray that if we get Declan Rice, that boy stays fit. You want to hope he stays fit. Because I'll tell you now, if Declan Rice comes in and he's playing next to this dickhead, yeah, then let me tell you now, Declan Rice must stay fit. Because if he don't, it'll be Jorginho and Havertz as a double pivot. But Lee, we're going to sign Lavia. Oh, yeah, let's just throw the 19-year-old boy in. Yeah, well done. Let's just throw him in. Yeah, cool. So it'll be Havertz and the 19-year-old in midfield. Good one. What is going on here? Yeah, this is a mad downgrade on Granit Xhaka, and I don't even rate Xhaka like that. This is a mad downgrade. Mad downgrade. This guy stinks, man. Why are Chelsea fans all absolutely wetting themselves laughing? I'll tell you why. because they've got rid of him. And they've wanted to get rid of him for how long? Years. How have they managed as well, by the way, with 2 years left, after stinking the gaff out for 3 years, how have they managed to only lose 8 million quid on him? They bought him for 68 mil. How have they lost only 8 million pounds on him? Make this make sense. Because when we go and sell Thomas Partey, which we're likely to do, with 2 years left, we ain't getting 60 million for him. Yeah, this club's a disgrace, man. Absolute disgrace. Kai Havertz. Is there a worse signing we could have made? Like, really? For 60 million quid, is there a worse signing we could have made? Yeah, this stinks. It stinks. It's disgusting. Kai Havertz. Oh, my dear God. Oh, my days. Did anyone watch Germany last night? Because he stunk the gaff out there for 79 minutes before getting hooked in a 2-0 loss. At home to Colombia. But don't worry, he's just misunderstood. He's misunderstood at Chelsea. If anyone can get a tune out of him, Mikel Arteta can. Oh, yeah, because Thomas Tuchel couldn't then, no? Like, do you know what I mean? It's just baffling. This has got to be one of the worst signings we're going to ever have made. I'm telling you now. Yeah, but don't worry. This fan base will have their pants around their ankles as soon as he scores away to Luton, away to Burnley. Yeah, scores a couple of goals at home against Sheffield United. Yeah, but they'll come round. They're always 3 years behind this lot. So in 3 years' time, they'll be screaming and shouting that he's part of the dead wood in Mikel Arteta's 8th year as manager or saying, yeah, let's give him another £1 billion because he's already spunked $1 billion. Let's go again. Yeah, if you can't see what Arteta's doing, you can F off down the lane. Yeah, why don't you go to the lane, mate? You lot are more suited to not winning than I am. Yeah, I actually want to win. Anyone who says that is just an absolute sheep. If you can't see what he's doing, you can F off down the lane. Why would I F off down the lane when I want my football club to win? Why don't you lot go down the lane? Because they're used to not winning. And so do you lot. Yeah, you lot just want to sit there and not win. Yeah, absolutely embarrassing. People are going to be sitting there hyping this signing up as a great signing. Because this is what this backwards bent, inverted bunch of divs do every single time. Yeah. Oh, we didn't want him, but now he's here. Well, why didn't you cause a stink so that we didn't sign him? Didn't think of that, no? Now we've signed him for 60 million quid, putting him on 200 grand a week, by the way. This geezer's going to cost Arsenal the best part of £100 million. 100 million smackaroonies, which could have brought, oh yeah, Caicedo. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Let's say we bought Caicedo for 100 mil, which it probably won't be because Chelsea will probably get it for about 80. In fact, let's say 80 million. Let's say Caicedo's 80 million, right? And you put him on 200 grand a week for 4 years. That's 120 mil. So for 20 million more as the package deal, we could have gone and got Caicedo. But no, everyone's going to be out here twerking for Kai Havertz now. They'll all be absolutely lapping this one up. This is absolutely disgusting. And we're going to play this geezer in midfield, apparently. We're going to put him in midfield. Boy, good luck. Good luck. Because I'll tell you something, yeah, Zinchenko's side's already a liability anyway. But now if we've got him playing where Granit Xhaka used to play, boy, oh boy, oh boy. Buckle up. Buckle up. Trust me, we are not in a title race with this geezer in the team. We are not in a title race with this geezer in the team. And if he's not playing in midfield and he's playing up front, good luck. You think Gabriel Jesus misses sitters? Wait till you watch this guy. Oh, you have watched this guy and you still want him. Okay, cool. Cool. Well, anyone who's cheering this, yeah, it's part of the issue. Anyone who's cheering this, yeah, and jumping for joy. Oh, if Arteta wants him, I want him. How does he taste, mate? Does he taste good? Yeah. You gargling? Yeah, cool. Yeah, good one. Absolutely disgusting, man. This is horrible. Absolutely horrible. For 60 million, you're telling me we couldn't have gone and got a better player? You're telling me we couldn't have gone and got Ivan Toney for 60 million? Oh, but he's banned. And it's back in January. You're telling me we couldn't go and get another striker or midfielder for 60 mil plus wages? Like, come on. In what world is this going to work? I ain't seeing it. No, I ain't having it. This is a disgrace. And again, yet again, another Chelsea cast-off. Another disgusting Chelsea stinker of a player that we've just pulled our pants down and said, bosh, Have some of that. It is absolutely disgusting. How many more times are we going to get stung for their rejects? And we just keep going back. We just keep going back. It's like being in an abusive relationship. You just keep going back. Yeah, go back. Oh, cool. Bosh. Have another one. Bosh. Have another one. Here we go. Kai Havertz. Bosh. You had David Luiz. Yeah. You had Lasana Diarra. Yeah. You had Willian. Petr Cech. Disgusting, man. Absolutely fucking disgusting. Jorginho. Disgusting. 60 M's on that. Oh, my days. Oh, my days. We could have gone out there with that money and bought somebody proper. Yeah, disgusting. Make sure you tune into the shows later. I might have calmed down by them. Smash the like button. Sub to the channel. Sub to Lee Reacts. Link in description. I'll have some videos out on there. I will be chilled by them. But this is a disgrace. I'm absolutely baffed that we've gone and done this sort of dough on that player. I'm baffed that we've gone and pulled our pants down again for Chelsea. And I'm baffed at how many people are actually cheering this like it's a success story. Yeah? Watch him stink the place out. Watch it. Yeah? Watch it. He is going to absolutely do nothing for this football club because he is shit. He is absolutely garbage. Like I said, what is he good at? What is he genuinely good at? All I see when I see him on the pitch is him just walking around doing nothing. And then he does a little jog into the box and then misses a sitter. Good one. 60 M's. Get out of it, man. Sack the fucking lot of them.